Adams, you're going to go on the tone in less than 5. Go, Terry. Oh, there's a little shower on the track. And go, Drew. And race number 1 underway. Start of round 2 qualifying. Has some issues in the quad. All clear. Oh, watch it on the back stretch. Watch it on the back stretch. Mr. Adams going to be the first one around. And right now, 1 lap in, he's ahead of his TQ pace from round number 1. Let's see if he can hang on to it. He was getting faster and faster that first round, and the track's looking pretty good right now.
4 minutes left.
1 minute down, 4 minutes to go. And he is getting faster. 10 laps at a 5:01. Right now, his fastest lap on the track's at 29.8. Terry having some issues in the tables. Get him going again. That's your race leader going through Daytona 3-4, coming into the single. Got 130 down, 330 to go. Next up, race number 2 is going to be heat number 1 of our 2-wheel drive short course class. That's going to be Michael, Allen, David, Sean, Teddy, Terry, and Chase.
Minutes left.
.230 to go. Mr. Adams out front. 10 laps at a 5:03, followed by Drew and Terry. Looks like Drew's having some issues. I think Terry has some issues, but he's out there.
Two minutes left.
You heard her. 3 minutes down, 2 minutes to go for Mr. Adams. Right now he's 10 laps at a 5:04. He's looking to beat that first round TQ. We're coming up on 1 minute to go. Got a one-man show going right now. Mr. Adams. He's a young driver, but he's a good driver, nice and consistent, following nice lines around the track. I think Mr. Adams runs about 3 different classes. And we're coming up on about 40 seconds to go for Mr. Adams. Looking pretty good. Getting around the track. Next up is going to be race number 2. That's the heat number 1 of our 2-wheel drive short course class. You guys should be waiting to go. That's Michael, Allen, David, Sean, Teddy, Terry, and Chase. I'm going to need some volunteers. Please, from Marshall. If you can still hang out and volunteer for me, Michael and Marshall, I'd appreciate it so we can keep this one rolling. Mr. Adams, this should be your last lap.
Car 3 is done.
And this race is over. Mr. Adams setting a new TQ, 10 laps at a 5:14. Gonna get everybody fixed and back out here for the mains. Alright, get him shut off. Get back out here to Marshall. Gonna need some volunteers, please. Go ahead and get him checked in, guys. Go ahead and get him checked in.